Once upon a time in the sky, there was a tiny little cloud named Puffy. Unlike the big clouds that made rain and storms, Puffy was too small to do anything important. The other clouds teased him, saying he would never be useful. One day a strong wind blew Puffy far away from his cloud family. He floated over mountains, rivers, and cities, feeling lonely and lost. But then he saw a dry little flower in a desert, wilting under the hot sun. Puffy wanted to help, but he didn't know how. Remembering what the big clouds did, Puffy tried his best. He squeezed and squeezed until plop, a tiny raindrop fell. The flower drank the water happily and stood tall again. Puffy was overjoyed. He had finally found his purpose. From that day on, Puffy traveled the world, bringing tiny drops of hope wherever they were needed. Even the big clouds admired his kindness, and he learned that no matter how small you are, you can still make a big difference.